who joined us here today.
Maraming salamat again for coming here. And of course to McDonald's, thank you so much for entrusting us this prestigious ambassadorship, you know. So thank you so much, and sa lahat din ng mga nandito, the media, the influencers, the social media content creators. Thank you so much, and sa lahat ng mga nandito, sana ay kumain tayo sa McDonald's mamaya.
Ayan, ako naman po gusto ko po magpasalamat sa inyong lahat for spending this holiday with us, with McDonald's, to celebrate this event. Maraming salamat po. Again, we do encourage you to please install the app. Napakadali po niyang gamitin. Makikita nyo doon yung mga limited offerings nila. Tapos meron doon restaurant. So parang matatrack niya kung nasan ka. Tapos makikita mo yung mga nearby McDonald's na wala sa ibang food delivery apps. Kaya isa lang yan sa mga perks ng mismong McDonald's app. And syempre, the rewards, yung points talaga. Kasi every order may points ka eh. Hindi ka talaga titipirin ng McDonald's. Talagang laging may point yan. So sana ay you get to support and install the McDonald's app. Thank you so much.
Yes, and straight from Barbie na yan. So if you do not download the app,